In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video URL in Dorik AI website. First, open the Dorik login page and sign in to your account. On the login screen, choose the sign-in method that works for you. If you use Google, select your Google account to proceed securely. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. Find the site you want to work on and open it by clicking Edit Site to access the Visual Builder. Inside the builder, look for the option to add elements. This opens the Elements panel where you can find a wide range of blocks. Find the video element, then click and drag it into your page where you want the video to appear. You can always move it later, so don't worry about getting the exact position perfect on the first try. With the video block selected, check the settings panel. You'll see a drop-down for the video type. Open it and choose between embedding a video from a platform or uploading a file. Embedding is ideal when your video lives on YouTube or a similar service. It helps with performance and saves storage. Uploading is better for original files you want to host directly, but be mindful of file size and load times. If you choose Embed, you'll see a field to paste your video URL. Copy the video link from your source and paste it into that field. Make sure the URL points to a public video so it can load correctly. When the URL is valid, Dorik will render a preview right in the editor, which helps you confirm you've got the right video. Next, explore the player configuration settings. Here you can fine-tune how the video behaves, like whether it autoplays, loops, or shows player controls. If you enable autoplay, consider muting the audio to improve user experience and avoid surprise sound. You may also find options for start time or a poster image depending on the source, which can make the video look more polished before it's played. Finally, adjust the video width and height to fit your layout. For most designs, using responsive values like setting width to 100% and letting the height follow the aspect ratio keeps the video looking great on desktop and mobile. If you prefer a fixed size, pick dimensions that match common aspect ratios such as 16:9 to avoid letterboxing or cropping. And that's it. You've added a video to your Dorik AI site, chosen the best source, and optimized the player and sizing for a clean, reliable result. Save your work, and you're ready to show your video to the world.